Here we have to solve for x, and the question is x divided by 2 plus 3 equals 4. So just a couple of things to note here. We're dealing with two different operations here. We're dealing with division here, and we're dealing with addition here. So the first thing we have to do is deal with this plus 3, or the integers here. We only want x on one side of the equation, so we want to get rid of these integers. Now, hopefully you will remember that the order of operations in regular math is that we always do the multiplication and division first before we do the addition and subtraction. And it's almost like when we're solving equations, it's the reverse. First we do the addition subtraction, then we do the multiplication division. So you're almost reversing the steps in the order of operations when you're trying to solve a question like this. So to start with, like I say, we're going to deal with these three integers that we have on that side. We're going to try to remove them from that side, and the way we're going to do it is by subtracting them. So I rewrite the entire equation, only this time I'm subtracting 3 from both sides. Now I'm going to simplify this because this is a zero pair. Plus 3 minus 3 is 0, so I've got x divided by 2 equals, and again I simplify over here, I've got 1. Now I've got division on this side, x divided by 2. So again, in order to isolate the variable and just have x on one side of the equation, I'm going to have to do the inverse of dividing by 2, which is multiplying by 2. So now I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 2. By doing that, I cancel these out. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so x times 1 is just x. So I'm left with x is equal to 1 times 2, which is 2. So x is equal to 2. I can easily verify that by going back up to my equation, rewriting it. 2 divided by 2 plus 3 equals 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Yes, 4 equals 4, so I know that that is the correct solution for this equation. So again, just keep in mind, the first thing we do is we deal with the addition or subtraction and then division multiplication.